Some simple tricks can open up completely new ways to play your instrument. Here are 5 of our favorite drum hacks. Sometimes you have to change the tuning of your snare to suit the music you're playing. The quickest way to change the pitch of your drum is to use only the 2 tension rods closest to you. With this trick you can go back and forth between standard snare tuning and a really low ballad snare sound in just a few seconds. This method works with the bass drum as well. Let's check out how it sounds. As you can see, the effect of the small change is impressive. Our next one is all about cymbals. If you want to alter the sound and the look of your cymbals, this one's for you. Simply take one of your cymbals and gently apply pressure until it turns inside out. Don't worry, they won't break. This works best with small and thin cymbals. The new shape also changes the sound. Let's try it with a 14-inch A Custom EFX crash and a 10-inch A Custom EFX splash. While you can use this trick as a sound option, the inverted shape also gives you new ways to stack your cymbals. Have you ever tried to play your bass drum pedal without the spring attached? Even if it sounds odd, this is a great way to practice your foot technique. The only way to make the beater come back without the spring's help is to make use of the drumhead's rebound. Otherwise, the beater will stay on the head and you won't be able to play any more strokes. This method will definitely give you a more distinct feeling for the beater and affect your overall playing. A great way to begin this exercise is to attach a rubber band instead of the spring. The rubber band will lightly support your playing without making it too easy. If you love low tunings and short toms, this next hack is for you. Toms often have unwanted overtones and a long sustain. Have you ever tried to completely remove the reso heads of your drums? The tone of your toms will get shorter and more controlled. This concert tom-like idea can be helpful in many musical contexts, no matter if it's live or in the studio. The same trick works great with the bass drum as well. Let's see how this one affects the sound of our Sonor ProLite drum kit. This works just great. A side effect is that you have more mic placement options with the open toms and bass drum. Placing a microphone inside the shell will give you a completely different sound. When you install a new snare drum head, don't throw away the old one. Simply cut along the metal ring and you'll end up with a great tool to alter your snare sound. Place the cutout on your snare and you'll be impressed by how much it changes the sound. The low tone will work perfectly for ballads or fat grooves. If you want to keep more of the original attack, cut out the middle of your fat head so that your stick makes direct contact with the batter head of your snare. Let's check out how these two options sound. What are your favorite drum hacks, and have you developed any yourself? Make sure to let us know down in the comments.